Hi, in today's video we'll talk about how to find out if your employer qualifies for Public Service Loan Forgiveness PSLF. This video will take you through the steps to do so and more, so watch till the end. First, open your preferred browser and head to studentaid.gov. The full link is in the description. Next, enter the IN of your employer. Your employer's IN or employer identification number can be found in box B of your wage and tax statement W-2. Enter your employment start date in the prompted box. If applicable, you can also enter your employment end date in the other box. However, if you are still employed with that organization, you can toggle on the "This is my current employer" switch. If prompted to enter a termination date, despite this, simply enter today's date as the end date. Finally, click the search button and the results will be ready in a few moments. Please remember that employment periods before October 1st, 2007 are not eligible for PSLF, even if you were with a qualifying employer. So that's how you check if your employer is qualified for PSLF. Thanks for watching till next time.